I believe on my players, and I hope that tomorrow we can be focused since the first minute until the end, and we not think on the past to work on the present. It's important to see these things that you say. It's a clever question, but the past already passed, and we need to live the present, to work the present, to building the future. Selamat pagi, good morning. Unfortunately, the preparation was not perfect. We like to have more days to prepare the match. We know that our opponent team have more days than preparation than us, more time to rest. Our last match was for Siap. Unfortunately, we book our tickets airplane very late. It's one more mistake that the club cannot make again. And this repeat after our group separate. We must training on early morning yesterday. This cannot happen. The players must have sleep, must rest. So this is a message for our club to make the things with time, because it's not the first or the second or the third time that this happened. But tomorrow nobody goes to remember this, and the players gonna try to do our best. We know that the opponent team is strong. They are favorite. They not lose at home, and they are in a good shape, winning or draw. And for we can make a good result here, we must be tomorrow very good team in all the moments of the match, with ball, without ball, on the set pieces, offensive and defensive transitions. So I hope that tomorrow we can be focused since the first minute until the end.
I think preparation so far has been great. We got in here late last night. So far, I mean, we can't complain. We're at the hotel right now, getting rest for tomorrow's match. I mean, there's nothing else to say, really. We know why we're here. We're here to get points. We already know the opponents, strong opponents. We're going to come out here tomorrow and just give up a fight, stick to our game plan, and let's see what the result is at the end of the day.
I think not. I think Alberto is a good player, but for sure Persib have a good squad, and who's going to play on this position, going to for sure try to do the best. And sometimes it's better other player play there, because the focus is more high, the motivation is more high, and the opponent team not know too much information of these players. So I don't see as advantage to us. And also we must analyze that Persib already win without Alberto many times. It's the team that have the best offensive line and one of the best defensive lines.
Like Coach said, doesn't matter who they play. They have a good deck, they're a good team. So with or without Alberto, I think they're going to show up tomorrow.
Really, yes. It's very good performance what Persib is made, but what happened on the past, it's true that last 3 matches PSM Makassar beat Persib, but this is the past. Now is a new present and a new future. Tomorrow is different, totally different, and we cannot forget that this season Persib is signed very good players and expensive players also. I can give an example. We have 2 players from Portugal from the 3rd league, and now Persib signed 1 player from Portugal from the 1st league, the Premier League. So the weapons are different, but I believe on my players, and I hope that tomorrow we can be focused since the first minute until the end, and we not think on the past to work on the present. It's important to see these things that you say, it's a clever question, but the past already passed, and we need to live the present, work the present, to building the future.